Good afternoon, student. In the last lecture, we studied Bentham Hooker's system of classification, and I will start with the families given in your syllabus. The first family that is given in your syllabus is Annonaceae. We will see its silent features, characters, distribution, floral formulas, and what are the morphological characters. So, family Annonaceae. Annonaceae is also known as Papa family. It has 128 genera, 2,300 species distributed all over the world. They are distributed in temperate and tropical regions of eastern North America and eastern Asia, tropical South America, mainly distributed in the old tropics and in the moist forest. So here is the placement of family Annonaceae and along different authors. Bentham and Hooker class division is Spermatophyta, class Dicotyledone, subclass Polypetalae, series that is Thalamiflora, order that is Ranels, Conquest, Magnolophyta, Magnolipsida, Magnolidae, Magnoliales. Taptajan division was Magnolophyta, class was Magnolipsida, class Magnolidae, series Magnoliales, and order is Annonales. Like as Degreens, Magnolipsida, Magnolidae, Magnolini, Annonales. Thorney classification is similar to that of the green latest, that is APG2 system of classification. It is divided into that series of suborders known as Magnolids and order Magnoliales. What are the silent features of Annonaceae? The silent features, Annonaceae plants and maybe trees or shrubs with alternate dicticious leaves, stipules absent, leaves glaucous or with metallic shine. Flowers may be fragrant. Flowers are trimerous with numerous spiral arrangement, numerous spiral arrangement stamens, many carpels, free fruits, an aggregate or berry, seed with ruminate endosperm. Major genera of this Annonaceae family are Gauteria, that shows 250 species. Xylopia has 120 species. Juveria have 100 species. Atrobotis have 100. Annona 100 species, and Polyalthia has 100 species. This may be trees. The Annonaceae members may be trees or shrubs or lianas. They bear essential oils, node unilacunar or bilacunar vessels, end walls, horizontal, simple vessels without vestured pits, wood diffused, porous, partially storage, sieve tubes, plastid, P-type, subtype, and A pitted commonly with diaphragms. Leaves are evergreen, alternate, disticus, non-sheathing, simple, entire, pinnately veined, stipules absent. Domatica recorded in 3 genera, stomata parasitic, uh, secretory cavity contains oil, mucilage, or resins. Inflorescence is a solitary flower or racemose. Flower are regular, cyclic, usually bisexual, rarely unisexual, thalamus sometimes elongated. Calyx usually with 3 sepals or 6 and 2 hold, free valvate. Corolla with 3 to 6 petals, 1 to 2 hold, free imbricate or valvate. Androecium with this family within there are 25 to 100 semen maturing centripetally free, all equal, spirally arranged, rarely 3 to 6 hold, rarely outer forming stemenoids. Example, Uvaria species is given, Anther bythicus adnate, dehiscing by longitudinal slit or wall. Extros, connectivity prolonged with into appendages, tapetum glandular, pollen shed in aggregate or single grain. When aggregate in tetrad or in pollets. Octet in trigenia is given, pollen grains monosulcate or non-aperturate. or with two parallel furrows at the equator or ulcerate. Ganoecium shows 10 to 100 carpels, usually free, rarely united, passant of free carpel, basal with syncarpus, one locular or two locular, parental or basal. Ovals 1 to 50, apotropous with ventral rape, bitegmic, quasi-nucleate, outer integument not contributing to the micropyle. So here is the member of family Annonaceae, Annona squamosa. आपण त्याला सीताफळ असं म्हणतो. Here is the diagram of Annona squamosa. Here is the fruit with a twig. There is a single stamen. You can see here the LS of flower. D, this is the carpel, and here this is the floral diagram of family Annonaceae. Here you can see sepals, petals, stamens, and carpels. How are they are arranged? Here is the another examples of family Annonaceae. Atrabotris odoraticissima. You have to spell it odoraticissima. हिरवा चाफा म्हणतो आपण याला. Here you can see these are the flowers. They have very pleasant smell is there to this flower. चाफ्यासारखाच वास येतो त्यामुळे त्याला हिरवा चाफा असं म्हणतात. Here is the diagrammatic representation of Atrabotris. Here this is the floral diagram. This is the twig, how the leaves and all. So in Annonaceae, fruits may be fleshy, commonly an aggregate of berries, seeds, endospermic, endosperm, ruminate, oily. Pollination is mostly by beetles, dispersal especially of fresh fruits by birds, mammals, and turtles. Economic importance. This family, many of the Annona species are cultivated for its edible fruit. Annona squamosa, Annona muricata, Annona reticulata, that is custard apple. आपण खातो ना ते Annona squamosa and Annona cherimola. Flowers of Canaga odorata, lang lang, and Miculia fragrans are used in perfumes. The spice fruit of Western African Xylopia ethiopica are so-called negro pepper used as condiments, and those of Monodora myristica used as substitute for nutmeg. Nutmeg. जायफळ यूज करतो ना त्याचं सबस्टिट्यूट म्हणून हे मोनोडोरा यूज केलं जातं. Okay. In the next lecture, we will go to the another family. We also will discuss some of these member of Annonaceae again in the next lecture.